Where do I begin? That's the question I get asked the most when it comes to people taking on a healing journey. And I see my clients as this as the most biggest problem, that they want to take everything on because now they want transformation and they're going to go about it in the most aggressive way. But that is exactly why you need healing, because you've never taken a pause. You've never ever stopped to ask yourself, what do I truly need? What do I truly feel like? What's happening in my body, in my heart, in my mind? And these are the places where real healing happens, when you give yourself enough respect and honor to give yourself the permission to pause. Do something without expectation or a sense of achievement. Aren't you tired? Aren't you exhausted of that? And the result will be you will get burnt out of even doing so many tasks in your healing process, adopting so many rituals, or taking on too much at one time. I'll do all the courses I want, I'll get up and start exercising, eating healthy, doing my journaling, doing my meditation, doing my breathing. What are you doing? All of that is just simply becoming a bypassing an escape mechanism for you not to want to see what really is happening here. Because unless you decide to see yourself, you're constantly looking for a solution out there, whether it's in a ritual, a practice, and it's not helping you. You need to start with something that is just expressive, that is just allowing you to see yourself, understand yourself, and hear yourself. And that's where self awareness becomes the most powerful tool. And I always ask myself, how can I make it simple as a process? Because I've been there, I know what it feels like. I've created a beautiful, simple to do 5 minutes maybe every day you're going to need, because that is how we're starting. No doing the work, simply sitting, feeling safe, relaxing, and just listening. If this video made sense to you, and you feel you are at that space where you want to become softer with yourself, where you just want to calm down, self-awareness workbook for you. It is free. The link is in my bio, so please download it and check it for yourself, that how simple we can actually do the process with ease and heal with ease. Not work, not doing, just with ease with yourself.